Welcome to our top 20 EDC essentials for travelers in 2025. Discover must-have travel gear from leak-proof bottles to travel pillows that make your journey comfortable and hassle-free. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Airport security, nightmare, liquids everywhere. My favorite shampoo leaked, ruining everything. But then I found the 18-pack leak-proof travel bottle set. TSA approved, triple sealed, and BPA free. It holds creams, sprays, and lotions without a single spill. Everything stays organized and clean. No more chaos, just smooth travel. Frequent flyers, avoid the mess. Grab this must-have set today. Tired of carrying multiple chargers? This 3-in-2 cable powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and more simultaneously. Say goodbye to clutter with its compact, tangle-free braided design. The magnetic Apple Watch charger ensures fast, secure charging. Perfect for travel, camping, or everyday use. Lightweight and portable, fits in any bag. Simplify your charging routine. Grab yours now. Unboxing the Basesailor Multi-USB-C Adapter Kit, sleek, compact, and travel ready. The round case holds a 100 USB-C cable, 4 adapters, SIM ejector, and SIM slot, and everything neatly organized. Adapters snap in securely and feel premium. Fast iPhone charging, seamless laptop, tablet connections. A must-have for travelers and multitaskers. No more cable chaos, just pure convenience. At the airport, I couldn't get comfortable. Stiff seat, aching neck, no sleep. Then I remembered my Napfun neck pillow. I slipped it on. Memory foam cradled my neck and supported my chin. I slept through the flight and woke up refreshed. Compact and travel ready. Napfun changed everything. Now I travel in real comfort. Upgrade your journey today. Tired of messy luggage and dirty shoes? These clear waterproof shoe bags are your new travel must-have. Keep shoes and clothes clean, organized, and dust-free. The translucent design makes finding items easy. Durable, reusable, and versatile. Great for shoes, laundry, toiletries, or gym gear. Stay neat and travel smarter. Upgrade your packing game with these essential bags. Ever rush out and spot stubborn wrinkles? Skip the iron. Downy Wrinkle Releaser spray smooths fabric in seconds. Just spray, tug, and let dry. Wrinkles disappear fast with no heat or hassle. It also removes static and adds a fresh linen scent. Great for travel, busy mornings, or quick fixes. Stay confident and wrinkle-free anytime, anywhere. Airport rush, my sun hat slips off again. Juggling luggage and coffee, stress builds. Then I remember my floral hat clip. I snap it on, securing my hat stylishly to my backpack, hands-free. No more lost hats or tangled straps. It even holds sunglasses and keys. Travel feels lighter and breezier. Upgrade your journey. Grab your floral hat clip today. Struggling with too few outlets or incompatible plugs in Europe? The TESSAN 2-pack European plug adapter is your solution. With 4 AC outlets, 1 USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports, you can charge up to 7 devices at once. Compact and travel-friendly, it's perfect for tech-savvy travelers needing reliable power across European countries. Can Poo-Pourri really trap bathroom odors? Let's test it. No spray versus Poo-Pourri. First, no spray. Odor lingers? Yikes. Now, Poo-Pourri, lavender, vanilla, shake, spray, go. Timer is up. Fresh lavender, vanilla, and citrus only. Plant-based, pocket-sized, made with essential oil. No more stress, just freshness. Perfect for travelers, eco-lovers, and odor warriors. Stay fresh. Grab yours now. Tired of messy cords? The 7-in-1 power strip charges up to 7 devices, phones, laptops, tablets, fast. The ultra-flat, right-angled plug saves space behind furniture. With USB-C fast charging, it's 30% quicker than standard strips. Fireproof, travel-friendly, and cruise-approved with no surge protection. Ideal for students, travelers, or home offices. Stay organized and powered up. Get yours now. Ask ChatGPT. Flight delayed, suitcase tight, stress rising. I spot stubble from yesterday's run. From my bag, Schick Intuition, go. No shave gel needed. Aloe bar lathers instantly. 4 blades glide smoothly. No nicks, no fuss. Minutes later, soft, smooth skin, ready for anything. Compact, gentle, travel ready. My secret weapon. Stay confident anywhere. Pack Schick Intuition, go. Burned your feet on hot sand? I did last summer. Ouch. Then I found Athmile water shoes with quick dry fabric and anti-slip soles. They saved my beach day. No more burns or sharp rocks. They're lightweight, foldable, foldable and super comfy. Perfect for any outdoor adventure. Don't risk foot pain. Grab your pair and enjoy summer worry-free. Tired of messy, overstuffed suitcases? Meet Olar Hike's 10-piece compression packing cubes, your travel game changer. Just pack, zip, and compress to save space instantly. Say goodbye to wrinkled clothes and lost socks. These durable, lightweight cubes keep everything organized and easy to find. Travel smarter and stress-free. Try Olar Hike cubes on your next trip for effortless packing. Worried about bad breath after coffee or meetings? Try Listerine Pocket Packs Cool Mint Breath Strips. These tiny strips dissolve instantly, killing 99% of bad breath germs. No need to chew or rinse, just fresh breath in seconds. Pocket-sized and discreet, they're perfect for on-the-go use. Stay confident anytime, anywhere with Listerine's powerful, portable oral care solution. Airport restroom, my bag spills, panic hits, I forgot my usual wipes. Then I spot a single mighty good wipe, that tush. Individually wrapped, extra large, aloe infused, relief. Soft, strong, fragrance-free, gentle on skin. Cleanup is quick, discreet, and flushable. Stress gone, stress gone, I feel fresh and ready. Never travel unprepared again. Carry mighty good wipe, that tush, for peace of mind. Cut or scrape while traveling? The Johnson & Johnson Travel Ready First Aid Kit has you covered. With 80 essential items, Band-Aids, Neosporin, gauze, and wipes in a compact, portable case, you'll always be prepared. Trusted brands provide quick, effective care. Ideal for cars, bags, or luggage. Stay safe and ready for anything, anywhere, anytime. Airport rush, my makeup smudges just before boarding. I reach for my Q-tips. Swabs Travel Pack. Compact and ready, the soft cotton tips fix mascara and eyeliner in seconds. A quick swipe and I'm polished again. Later I clean my earbuds too. Versatile and hygienic. Gentle, eco-friendly, and portable Q-tips are my travel must-have. Don't fly without them. Tired of messy pills while traveling? This compact pill organizer has 3 boxes with peen compartments each, perfect for vitamins or meds. Made from food-grade, BPA-free plastic with customizable labels for clear dosing. Fits easily in pockets, bags, or cars. Easy open lids and secure locks prevent spills. Great for travelers, supplement users, and seniors. Stay organized anywhere. Anywhere.
Tired of messy suitcases? Meet Bagale Packing Cubes, your travel game changer. With water-repellent fabric and mesh tops, they keep clothes safe, visible, and wrinkle-free. Lightweight yet durable, they add no extra bulk. Multiple sizes fit everything from shoes to cosmetics in any bag. Pack smarter, stay organized, and travel stress-free with the Bagale. Your suitcase will thank you.
Disaster struck. Shampoo exploded in my suitcase again. Clothes ruined. Makeup bag a mess. I trusted leak-proof bottles, but they failed. Then I found Trinomos silicone bottle covers. They stretch, seal tight, and fit nearly any bottle. No more spills, no more stress, just peace of mind. Grab your 10-pack and travel worry-free on every adventure. Thanks for watching. Which EDC Essential is your favorite? Comment below. Check the description for product links. Subscribe for more travel gear reviews and tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.